More than 3 weeks after Russia began its unprovoked invasion of Ukraine, the war reached new bloody lows this weekend. On Friday, Russian leader Vladimir Putin emerged from the Siberian bunker, where he's allegedly been sheltering during the pandemic, and his war to host a massive rally in Moscow boosting the invasion. Authorities reportedly told Russian government workers to attend against their will, wearing pro-war insignia and waving Russian flags. Putin reiterated the falsehood that Russia's war aims to eliminate Nazism in Ukraine and to spare people from genocide. He sported a $13,000 designer coat. All this happened while Putin's army is still stuck on all Ukrainian fronts has continued to inflict new levels of suffering on Ukrainian citizens. In the last several days, there have been reports of a school, an apartment building, and a military barracks being bombed by Russian forces, leading to scores of fatalities. The port city of Mariupol, located in the southeastern part of Ukraine, has seen a brutal assault by Russian forces in recent weeks. This has included bombings of schools, a theater, and even a maternity hospital. Many city residents have lacked food, water, electricity, and gas for weeks. In the meantime, we have the newest updates from Ukrainian authorities, which shows the continuing poor performance of Russian troops. As always, we will start with the best one, just wait for it. The famous Azov regiment, which is defending Mariupol, provided this action from armored personnel carrier. This is another work of Ukrainian-made Stugna anti-tank missile.
Есть. Внимание, выстрел!
Yes.
This is also a spectacular view of an attack on Russian objects. Now we have several videos of destroyed Russian equipment. We are starting with these vehicles which belong to Russian special forces in besieged city of Mariupol. This is huge destroyed column on undisclosed location.
БМД-3 2, БМД-3 3, БХ-4, БХ-5, БХ-6, о, БХ-7. БХ-7. Вище Мотолига 1, Мотолига 2. Мішка 1, БТР командно-штабний і БМП-2. БМП-2 і ще одна БМДшка. БМД-8, дві мотолиги, один танк, один кушетка і одна БМП-2.
Another carnage on Russian invaders. This is destroyed armor in the occupied region of Donetsk and Lugansk. And for the end, today we have this revolt against Russian occupiers by ordinary Ukrainians. And the people are not scared, even when Russian forces open fire.
Мы безоружные, мать вашу! Успокойтесь, вы что? Посмотрите!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.